Dr. Ellis, I can't do as much as I used to, but I can sit in butterfly for 90 seconds every night. I call it my coming home moment. Last night, I slept 6 hours straight. It sounds small, but to me, it's a whole garden. Ruth, 79, from Maine, wrote that to me on a postcard. What she did wasn't a pill or a gadget. It was a very gentle ritual called the butterfly stretch. If you want lighter legs and a calmer night's sleep, stay with me for another 60 seconds. And if this resonates, please tap like and subscribe. I'm Dr. Robert Ellis, an internal medicine and geriatric physician with over 20 years experience caring for adults 60 plus and a storyteller on YouTube. I've listened to many women's bodies speak in quiet ways. Sock marks at the ankles after a long day, a lower back that feels locked, the lower belly that puffs when tired, and hips that seem to store the long, unspoken parts of life. If you've ever risen from your armchair and felt like your lower half is carrying the whole day, this is for you. Today's ritual is butterfly, the classic Baddha Konasana. No weights, no fancy mat, no special flexibility required. Just a few breaths, a stable surface, and your attention. Done gently and consistently, it works deep. If any of this sounds like you, drop a quick "me too" in the comments. Your words help this reach the people who need it most. Why butterfly, and why now? Mary, 67, from Ohio, told me, "Doc, my legs don't hurt, they're just heavy. Like I'm carrying the day in them." We didn't start with medication. We started with breath and one move. Bring the soles of the feet together, let the knees fall open, and let gravity do the rest. 3 weeks later, she wrote, "Afternoons feel lighter. My ankle marks are fading, and I'm sleeping through more nights." A quick pattern erupt. Older adults in the US sit on average 8 to 10 hours per day. Prolonged sitting doesn't just switch your glutes off, it stiffens the inner thigh adductors, strings drawn too tight. These muscles anchor to the pelvis, the base of your spine, and hug the gateways through which blood and lymph pass into the hips. When they're rigid, traffic slows. It's not that your heart is weak. The bottleneck is at the interchange. Butterfly isn't about yanking a stretch. It's about opening lanes, gently, steadily, on purpose. In a moment, I'll guide you through a 60-second version you can do right where you are. If you find this useful, a quick like helps this reach others. 1. Improve blood and lymph flow. Feel lighter without losing a pound. Think of your body like a map. Nearly 60,000 miles of blood vessels run through you. Your lymph system, the cleanup network, has no heart to pump it. It depends on muscle movement to milk fluid back to the center. When inner thighs are stiff from age and sitting, the gateways at the groin compress. By day's end, heavy calves, sock lines, sluggish ankles. Butterfly gently softens those gateways. Many women tell me, "My legs feel lighter, not because I lost weight, but because my tissues can breathe." That light feeling often means better perfusion and lymph flow. Fewer ankle marks, less heaviness, easier first steps after sitting. If you're hoping for light, type light below that. If this clicks, please like small kindness, big ripple. Key mechanism. The adductors surround entry points for femoral vessels and lymph channels. Soften the wrap and flow improves. 2. Support the bladder and pelvic organs. The quiet topics: urgency, leaks, waking at night. Postmenopause, roughly 30 to 40% of women experience some urinary symptoms. It's not weakness, it's physiology. Hormone shifts, gravity, connective tissue change, and long days of sitting. Linda, 72, from Arizona, "I woke twice every night. Mornings felt drained. We added 1 minute of butterfly after brushing teeth. For weeks later, some nights I sleep 5 hours straight. Not every night, but better." Why? Softer inner thighs help the pelvis sit more neutral. Ligaments suspending the bladder are less tugged offline. Blood flow and nerve signaling to the area balance out. Willing to try for 2 weeks and log your nightly wake-ups? Comment, "I'll try." Key mechanism. A neutral pelvis is a steadier base for the bladder, reducing needless irritation and urgency. 3. Ease lower back ache and tight hips. Fix it at the root. So many come to me for low back pain, a steady drizzle of discomfort. Often, the lock is in the inner hip. The pelvis is the foundation of the spine. If one set of adductors is tighter, the pelvis tilts a few degrees. Sounds small? To a lumbar disc, it's a big story. Pattern interrupt. A 3 to 5 degrees pelvic tilt can meaningfully change the load on your discs. Jean, 74, told me her back felt pinned. After 3 weeks of butterfly plus long exhales, I can hear my back breathe. We instinctively twist our backs when they hurt. The root may be the inner hip. Try this now. 60 seconds of butterfly with long exhales. Stand, take 3 steps. Feel a smoother glide. Key mechanism. Level the base, pelvis, and the house. Spine stands with less bracing. 4. Soften deep emotion. Turn down the body's alarm. The pelvis doesn't just hold you up. In a very biological way, it remembers muscle, fascia, autonomic nervous system. Slow movement plus longer exhales flips on the parasympathetic tone, the part of your nervous system that whispers, "You're safe." Pattern interrupt. In 60 to 90 seconds of slow breathing, heart rate can dip and perceived tension can ease. Sophia, 69, said some evenings 5 minutes in butterfly brought a wave of emotion that passed. Not weakness, simply finally having a place to put down. If your body wants a sigh right now, let it happen. Save this video for your own coming home moment. Key mechanism. Lengthen exhale engages the vagus nerve, easing sympathetic drive. When safety rises, muscles and mood can settle. 5. Better posture. Decompress the spine without force. Posture isn't stand up straight. It's the byproduct of balance. In a neutral pelvis, the spine chooses alignment. Shoulders open because the ribcage has room to breathe. The head rides where the neck doesn't have to overwork. Pattern interrupt. After 60, we can lose 0.5 to 1 inch of height, some disc dehydration, some flex posture. 1 minute of butterfly doesn't make you taller, but it gives your lumbar spine a breath. A brief decompression that often translates to a half-beat taller stride and a slightly higher gaze. Want a 5-minute morning recalibrate your axis routine? Comment posture. Key mechanism. Releasing inner hip tension reduces asymmetric pull on the pelvis, lowering load on lumbar segments and improving breath mechanics. 6. Wake up pelvic vitality. Age with suppleness. We talk about arm and leg strength, rarely about pelvic vitality, the junction of digestion, hormones, core stability, and intimacy with oneself. When you invite blood, oxygen, and attention there, you're training not just muscle but interoception, your brain's felt sense of your body. After a few weeks, many women tell me their lower belly feels tidier. Not fat loss, better tone and fluid dynamics. Some notice brighter skin, a general circulation shift. Skip the miracle mindset. Expect small, bankable changes. They're the ones that last. Key mechanism. Rich vasculature and innervation in the pelvis respond to gentle, regular input, improving signaling and resilience. How to do it? Gentle and safe. Do this with me now. Sit on a stable surface. Lengthen your spine as if a thread lifts your crown. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees open to the sides. No forcing. Rest hands on ankles or around the feet, just a cue that you're here. Inhale through the nose for 4. Exhale through the mouth for 6, as if fogging a mirror. Repeat 3 times. Begin the butterfly flutter. Lift both knees 1 to 2 centimeters, then let them settle. Slow and soft. 30 to 50 flutters is plenty. Exhale, release. Inhale, listen. Prefer it lying down? Lie on your back, soles together, knees open. Support both thighs with pillows. Micro flutter if your body invites it. Goal: make space, not strain. 1 minute a day is a powerful start. If you just did this, comment, "I just practiced." Variations and props. Be kind to today's limits, lift your seat. Folded blanket under the sacrum to tip the pelvis slightly forward and ease the low back. Support the thighs. pillows/blocks under each thigh so the knees can rest, reducing adductor tension. Back to the wall. Let the wall hold your spine so your neck and shoulders can soften. Strap or scarf. Loop around the feet so hands and back don't have to reach. Sensitive knees. Sit higher on cushions or a low stool, or choose the lying version, Supta Baddha Konasana, with thigh support. Each prop says, I respect today's range. Tomorrow you may need less. Or not. Both are fine. Want a props and variations video for knees/hips/low back? Comment variations. Track what matters, because what you measure changes. Join a simple 14-day experiment. Each night, after brushing teeth, do 1 to 3 minutes of butterfly. Before you start, jot these on a sticky note by your bed. Night wakings to urinate, count. Leg heaviness, 0 to 10. Need a floor gap, estimate with everyday items. Thickness of a magazine, a slim book or 2 books. Review after 7 days, and again at 14. If you see any shift, celebrate it. If not, go softer, add support, reduce flutters, lengthen the exhale. If you're in, type 14 below. I'll pin a comment so we can share progress. Accountability makes small habits stick. A little science. Human, not heavy Y. The long exhale. It engages the vagus nerve and parasympathetic tone, your body's slow down system. What do inner thighs have to do with the bladder? Pelvic fascia and ligaments form a network. When one area stiffens, it tugs the rest offline. Why does opening the hip help the low back? The spine rides on the pelvis. Level base, lighter load. A small stat to remember. About 1 in 3 older women reports urgency or nocturia. If one gentle habit trims, even a single wake up, that's 45 to 90 extra minutes of sleep. Often the difference between getting by and feeling alive. If this helped you understand your body a bit better, hit subscribe. I keep videos under 15 minutes and always actionable. When to be cautious. Check with your clinician before starting if any of these apply. Recent abdominal or pelvic surgery, acute hip/groin pain, sharp, radiating down the thigh, severe osteoporosis or high fracture risk, history of deep vein thrombosis, DVT, balance challenges when seated, start lying down with support, and have someone nearby at first. Your body isn't a battleground. This isn't a courage test. It's an invitation. A 60-second guided round. Right now, sit tall. Saul's touch. Knees open and supported as needed. Point 1 hand on your heart, 1 on your lower belly. Inhale 4. Feel the lower hand rise. Exhale 6. Feel the upper hand soften. Second round. On the exhale, think soft. Third round. On the exhale, think safe. Begin gentle flutters. Lift 1 to 2 centimeters. Release. Slow. Soft. Count to 10. Pause. Close your eyes. Ask what shifted. Warmer? Quieter? Lighter? A tiny signal is enough for today. If you just did it, right, I just practiced. Those words are a thread connecting us across rooms and time zones. Back to the postcard. I want to return to Ruth's note. I call those 90 seconds my coming home moment. She didn't cite mechanisms or measurements. She named a feeling, coming home. Do you need a moment like that? Not to go back in years, to come back to yourself. Steady, grateful, gentle. I've read that postcard many times. It reminds me, self-care isn't a grand project. It's small moments, repeated, tender, and patient. Butterfly is one of those moments. Start small, stay consistent, and don't go it alone. If this touched you, tap like small kindness, wider reach, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I share short, gentle rituals each week. Share your story. 1 line is enough. I tried it. Send this to a woman you care about. It might be the nudge she needs today. Want a 14-day butterfly companion playlist? Comment 14. I'll curate 2-minute daily videos with soft music, breath cues, and knee/hip/low back variations. Thank you for your time, attention, and trust. I'm Dr. Robert Ellis. See you in the next video. We'll talk about a 90-second pelvic tilt to wake up the spine each morning. For now, place a hand on your heart. Inhale, exhale, and whisper, I'm here,